I'm going to show you how to change the code on a Ghost Immobiliser. This particular vehicle is a Land Rover Defender, so if you come over here, I'll show you how it's done. So what you have to do is turn the ignition on, but do not start the vehicle. So all the ignition lights come on. You enter your current code, and then you get the two indicator flashes. In this car in particular is the neutral light that comes on. Then pull the high beam and hold on to the high beam. Now enter your current code again, and the indicator will start flashing once every 3 seconds. In this case it's the neutral light. So now what we need to do is enter the new code, and every time we do it, that would flash with the button push. So I'm going to enter the new code, and then you pause and it'll flash back at you 3 times, and now you repeat it, and then you pause and it'll flash back at you twice, and that's it. Now you can let go of the high beam. The code is now changed. When you do the button pushes, do not do it too quick, do not do it too slow either at the same time. So nice even pace when you're actually changing the code. So the button pushes should be quite consistent. So no matter where you're doing your button pushes, as long as you're consistent with it. So if it's over here, 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 go back to it. But just be consistent and don't pause too long in between button pushes. So that's how you change the code on a Ghost Immobiliser on a Land Rover Defender.